guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can 3D model this part inside Creo Parametric. So we are continuing the series of tutorial on Creo Parametric for beginners. In this tutorial we are going to take this drawing and then convert it into 3D model, as you can see over here. Now the basic commands that we are going to use is some extrude commands, hole commands, and some sketching, a little bit of fillets. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's see how we can quickly design it inside Creo Parametric. Let's go for new. Let's give it a name. Use my own template. So part solid file name and then default template I will uncheck. Go for my part template. Okay. Now you can start it with any direction. So obviously this is a front plane, side front view, side view, and top view. We can start with the base, as you can see, which we can take from here, or you can start directly from front view. So for that case, let's start with the base. I'm going to select top plane, go for extrude. The dimension is 56, and this one 90 plus 75. So let's go for a rectangle, or else we can, yeah, let's go for a rectangle like this. I'm considering this center point as the center of this axis, so I will define it from there. Let's go from here to here, 75, and this one 90. The depth is 16, and further depth from there we can take as how much? We can take 36 from here. So bottom and this axis 36. Sketch is fully defined. Go for OK. Change it to standard orientation so that you can view. Now okay, I did a mistake. This will be 16. I will press OK, and then I will go and edit my sketch. So I will go extrude, edit, sketch. This one should be 56. I took it wrong. Okay. Press OK. OK. Standard orientation. Yeah. Now let's select shading with edges. I will give this circular part, so I'm going to select my this face, go for extrude, and then since we already have defined the center point, I can take this center. I will draw one circle over here like this, 60 mm. This is 36, and this distance from edge I will define from this edge 75, so it will automatically come on that axis. Okay, standard orientation option. This side it is only how much? 5 mm, as you can see, 5 mm. The other side it is going till 56, so that means 51. Okay, no, it should be 56 only. Let me correct it. Options 56. Okay, so it will combine with that. After this, Let's create this section so it is also coming on this view. Go for extrude. I'm gonna select a line somewhere around here, like this. Select this, make it vertical, take it a little bit up. Now this one is 27, so let's define this to 27. Another thing that we need is we need to project this circle. Okay, go for delete segment, delete this and this. Okay, undo that. Before deleting that segment, we need to connect it like this, then we can delete this segment. Sketch is fully defined. Go for a standard orientation. Now this is only up to same. This side it is 5. No, this side it is not going, so I will just reverse it and it will be 12 from here. I'll show you. This is coming from here, 12. Okay, this part is ready. Now let's go for this circular section, and that is on the same face as this circle, so I will just select this face, go for extrude. Center point is this only, so I'm going to take that center point, which select center and ends, select the center somewhere like this. We can start one more and one more. This middle one we can convert it to construction. Okay, and then let's define this as 90, the other one as 60. Now we can do one more thing, which is we can connect 3 points. So let's connect like this. Similarly here, sketch is defined, but it is not fully defined. So we should make this center point on this axis. So let's select this center and this one, make it coincident. Okay, also this and this will coincide. After that, select these two, make it tangent. One thing that we need to define over here is this has 15, done. This is also 15, done. So this can be how much? 75, correct, because we are adding 15. After that, it's almost done. We can do one thing, we can define this center as 27, and this also we can take the center point and let's give a reference of this one, close, and then select this and this, make it coincident. Test this. Okay, I think we are almost done. Let's give it a tangent, and I think we are done. Yeah, let's go for OK. See the view. Now we can do one thing, that is reverse direction option. This will be how much? 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, it's looking something like this. It's fine. Now we need to do this part. So for that, select this face again, go for extrude, and to do that I'm gonna just project this, this, and this, close it, select a line, connect these two, make it a mirror, and then select this one, coincident. Okay, let's give it a dimension first. These two 30 apart. Cancel. Cancel this again. Cancel the dimension. Select coincident. Select this and this point. Let's delete it. Delete it. Okay, let's make it vertical. Now we can give the depth 30. It's almost done. Let's delete the segments that we don't need. So this. Okay. Standard orientation, reverse direction. It is going only for 12, so let's give it a 12. Okay, done. A few things are like these holes. Let's do it. Select this face. Select this face. Go to extrude. Take circle. One over here. One over here. Diameter is 20. Distance from here to here is 25. And from here to here is 31. Overall distance between these two is 115. Okay, remove material, reverse direction. Okay, change it to standard orientation. After this, we need the holes on this face, so let's select that. Go for extrude. Select circle. Select this edge so that we get the center point. Draw one circle. Similar thing over here. The diameter is given as 12. I need one center and ends. So from this center, I will take an arc like this, make it construction, take a center line like this, one more like this, define its okay, one more center line I need. I will define this angle 30°, and then again this and this 30°. Select circle, same diameter, go for OK, remove material, reverse direction, press OK. This is done. Last one is here. Go for hole command, select this face and press Ctrl and select this axis. Diameter is given 20. Go for through all. OK, almost done. Let's give some fillet round 5 mm, over here, over here, and over here. I think this completes the model. Press OK. Let's see how it looks. Switch off all the planes and axes. I think it's done. So this is how you can convert the drawing to 3D model inside Creo Parametric. I hope you guys like this video. Feel free to comment down below if you have any doubts. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.